Hey there, friend. Are you ready to rock? Today, we're going to talk about an instrument that's been around for centuries, the guitar. You may have seen it played by your favorite musicians or strummed in the background of your favorite songs, but have you ever thought about learning how to play it yourself? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not as hard as you might think. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you really master the guitar in just 30 days? The short answer is no, not exactly. Mastery takes time and practice. However, that doesn't mean you can't make significant progress in just a month. The key is consistency. Set aside some time each day to practice, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Make sure you're practicing the right techniques and exercises, and don't be afraid to push yourself a little outside of your comfort zone. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect, but it does make progress. Another important aspect of learning the guitar is finding the right resources. There are tons of instructional videos and online courses out there, but not all of them are created equal. Look for ones that are geared towards beginners, and make sure they cover the basics like chords, finger placement, and strumming patterns. Of course, you can also take lessons from a professional instructor. This can be a great way to get personalized feedback on your playing and tailor your lessons to your specific needs. Plus, it's always nice to have someone to hold you accountable and motivate you when you're feeling discouraged. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff, playing actual songs. When you're first starting out, it's important to choose songs that are appropriate for your skill level. Don't try to tackle Stairway to Heaven on day one. Start with something simple like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or Happy Birthday. As you progress, you can start learning more complex songs that challenge you and keep you interested. But what if you're not into the classics? Fear not, my friend. There are plenty of modern songs that are easy to play on the guitar, even if you're a beginner. Just browse around on YouTube or Spotify and find something that speaks to you. One thing I love about the guitar is how versatile it is. You can play pretty much any genre of music on it, from pop to rock to country to classical. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Who knows, you may discover a new love for jazz or flamenco. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of playing the guitar, besides impressing your friends and family at parties. Studies have shown that playing an instrument can improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and increase creativity. Plus, it's just plain fun. So go ahead, give it a try. I promise you won't regret it. Learning the guitar is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and practice. But with the right resources and mindset, anyone can become a guitar player. So grab your instrument, tune up, and get strumming. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one inspiring others to pick up the guitar.